What is this? What are the names? What time is it? Where am I now? Where is the school? Where are you from? When is your birthday? When are you available? When am I free? Which is correct? Which are your shoes? Which am I responsible for? How is the weather? How are your parents? How am I different? Why is she upset? Why am I wrong? Why are they absent? Who am I? Who is your leader? Who are the guests? At what time is the class? What kind of book is this? In which city is the head office? On which day is the examination? Whose bag is this? For whom is this gift? How much are those shoes? How many questions are easy? How far is your house?